trabanza, grapefruit juice. What we do, we start with the seeds and then we separate them from the bad ones. We take out the bad ones,
Yeah.
and then we are left with this, the good ones, which we then go and put them on the pot. Now we put them in this pot. Yeah, and below the pot we have a sieving pot, and we have it here. That's the water boiling. So the pot is separated into three.
Yep.
So when the pot is, when the seeds are ready, when everything is ready, we just remove it, and then we take that spoon and then we mash them until we have everything in a juice form.
Yep.
In the juice form, we go and put it inside that. So it's ready to drink.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can try it.
Let us see.
Yeah. Okay.